Girl, stop. You messing up the video.
Oh, your belly jumping.
That's him having hiccups.
Stop breathing.
I can't. What kind of request is that?
Don't hit me with your nose. Stop. Why you let Morgenberg stop?
He knows when the camera's on him. He sucks. You can't do that.
Oh, you're recording still.
Okay, he stopped.